Hey plants lover, today we are diving into the world of succulents, those adorable low maintenance plants that thrive indoors and make your space feel like a mini desert oasis. Whether you are a green thumb guru or a serial plant killer, mm, we all have been there. I got 10 amazing indoor succulents that will make your home greener and happier. Stick around till end. I have got a bonus tip on keeping your succulents happy. Aloe Vera. First up, the plant that does more than just look good. Aloe Vera not only is easy to grow, but its gel is great for burns and skincare. Just don't go squeezing it like it's your toothpaste too. Jade plant. Meet the jade plant, the lucky charm of houseplants. It's believed to bring prosperity and honestly, with those glossy leaves, it look like money. Zebra Haworthia. Check out the Zebra Haworthia, nature's tiny strip masterpiece. It's thriving, bright, indirect light, and never complains. Unlike most needy houseplants we won't name. For string of pearls. Want a little drama? The string of pearl is your go-to-go. These adorable bead-like leaves cascade beauty over the shelves. Just don't confuse them with actual pearls. 5. Burro's tail. Say hello to Burro's tail. Its trailing palm leaves look like tiny green grapes. Just be careful. Those leaves fall off if you sneeze too close. 6. Panda Plant. This one is for fuzzy plant lovers. Panda Plant, its leaves are covered in soft, velvety hairs. Make it almost petable. Almost. Don't go treating it like your cat. Number 7. Echeveria. Echeveria is basically the queen of succulents with its perfect rosette shape. Seriously, it's more photogenic than most people's selfies. Number 8. Snake plant. Low maintenance? Check. Air purification? Check. Look like a work of modern art? Double check. The snake plant is basically the overachiever of the succulent world. Lithops, the living stone. What is cooler than plants that look like rocks? Lithops, also known as living stones. They look like pebbles, but secretly thrive with just a tiny bit of water. Nature's best disguise. Number 10. Christmas cactus. Last but definitely not least, the Christmas cactus. Unlike most succulents, this one blooms gorgeous flowers. And bonus, it does not need holiday to look festive. So, which one of these succulent is your favorite? Drop a comment below. I wanna hear what you are adding to your plant collection. Oh, and that bonus tip, keep succulents in well-draining soil and avoid overwatering. Too much love can drown them, just like overtexting someone. And don't forget to subscribe for more plants tips. And I will see you next time.